everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac. This is a GTO tribute, so it's originally Le Mans car that's been, made to look like a GTO. Awesome car, guys. 600 miles on a complete custom build that was done 2 years ago. It's got the it's got a 2004 Trans Am all aluminum EFI injected engine in it. Tremec 5-speed manual trans, disc brakes, air. Really nicely done, guys, too. I mean, you want to talk about a great running and driving car. This car is awesome, man. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. This is actually your original color combination, which is Mission Beige. It's got the gold interior, so super cool color combo. You can see it's got the radial red lines on it with rally ones. I thought about putting a set of wheels on it, guys, but guys talked me into leaving it alone. Such a good car. Pretty paint, again, good solid body. Very, very nice car. You can see the trim and stainless is nice. I saw a couple little touch-up marks on it, but very, very nice car. Kind of dodging raindrops today here. We had some heavy rain, supposed to be more rain coming in this afternoon, so try to get a couple cars advertised for you today. Got 12 new ones on the way. I posted like a single photo of everything. Tried to get a single photo of everything posted this morning, and then stuff will start flying in here, guys. Really like this car. I'll tell you one thing. You get in and turn this key, you can drive this car to California. This is a good car. They put a dual pinstripe on it. It's got a gold and black pinstripe on it. I thought that was cool. You can see how nice the glass is. All your trim on the car is just very nice. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Very nicely done. When you get underneath it, I mean, the car's just rock solid. Look how nice all that trim is. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. Like I say, my only thing is that it's got BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines all the way around it with the rally ones, the caps and the rings. I thought about putting a set of nice chrome wheels on it, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now, and we'll let the next owner make that decision. 600 miles on it since it was built. Again, it was completed 2 years ago. Pretty car, man. Again, it's got the front disc brakes. This is an all aluminum LS1 LS1 EFI engine out of a 04 Trans Am. Backed by a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. You can see it's got the serpentine pulley system in it, power steering, power front disc brakes. This car's got big sway bars on it, 1-inch sway bars on front and rear. Drives awesome. Does have headers on it. You can see it's got a K&N filter on it, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Does have air. Air blows ice cold. It'll freeze you out of there. Yeah, just a little, see that in there, it's just a little leaf I thought the cover on it was cool. Nice car, man. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on. There's a couple little touch-up marks. Very, very nicely done. You can see how nice the dash is in there. All your A-pillar chrome is nice. Original mirrors. Door handles look great. I like the gold interior, just really pops on this car. I'd say these are the original door pads. I saw a couple little wear marks maybe, so it's probably original. Bucket seats. Very nice custom console in there with a Hurst shifter. It's got all your Fischer Body seat belts in there. Headliner's gorgeous. Sport steering wheel. This is cool. It's got the Autometer analog gauge cluster. It's a factory AM radio that's been converted to the. It's got a retro sounds kit in it. I guess they sent it out and had it rebuilt. Dual exhaust, 355 safety track engine in it. I'm sorry, engine, rear end in it. It's got the box rear control arms, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a, I think it said that 355 safety track. You can see how clean it is. Factory jack with spare, that's the old bias ply. This is pretty cool. Here's all your original owner's manuals, your Protecto plate, LeMans GTO data book, and of course it's all spackle coated in here like it should be. Everything opens and closes real nice. And like I say, very impressive underneath. Floors are gorgeous. This has never been a rusty car. As you go around, you can just see how clean this car is. Seats are really nice. These, I'd say, have been redone. They're just too nice, guys. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's really nice. And it's got that really cool custom console with LED lighting. Go ahead, Jordan, you can fire it up. And this car will run, as you can imagine, with that LS1 in it. It scoots. Again, all electronic fuel injected. Air blows ice cold. Jordy, just kicked your air on. Fun car to drive, guys. And this, to me, really is where the market's actually headed, man. Everybody likes the, the reliability, these EFI engines. 607 now on the odometer. Tach works, all your gauges work. Parking brake works. I love the tail lights in 66. Those are super cool. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, the fit and finish is really nice on the car. Love the stacked headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. It changes really on a daily basis. You can do that at our website, which is southernmotors.com. Hold on, Jordy, hold on. Okay. You can also check out our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There's a little button you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Boy, is that a nice car right there, man. Have a great day, guys.